guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to use hair elastics like these. These are from Goody. They come in a package of like, I don't know, 30 maybe, to make ear loops on your face masks. It's not hard, but it's easier to show you in a video than to describe it. So what I have are these. I have these great quilting clips, which if you don't have them, you can use straight pins or even safety pins. In fact, honestly, safety pins might be a little bit easier, but these are the best. And if you don't have these are super cheap on Amazon or at your favorite quilting store, which is probably closed right now, but they're fantastic. Then I have a face mask, which I've prepared using my tutorial. The top and the bottom are stitched, and I have left about 1/2 inch or so on each end that is not sewn. And this is where the rubber band is going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare this to sew the rubber band in. So you notice it's got kind of a little pocket, and I just start at one end and I clip it. And then I do the other end. And clip that. And then I can kind of scoot this along because you're making a little channel basically. And so I just pull this along and clip it. You are not going to sew the elastic into a channel. It actually just kind of is, for lack of a better word, floating inside the mask right now, which is, you'll notice, still turned inside out. So we're just going to create the seam, and you just want to have the elastic on the right side of the seam, since in this case we are not using 2 pieces of elastic. You could, if you wanted to, just snip this, and then you'd have a piece of straight elastic and then sew it in 2 places. You could totally do that too. And in some ways that would be easier, but I'm always up for a challenge. So just tuck this in, clip away as you go, just like that. Okay, so now the elastic is here, and all I'm going to do is sew right along here. The elastic is not being sewn into the fabric. It is just on this side of the seam. So I'll sew all right along there, and then this seam will be done, and then I'll repeat on the other end.